the Libratone Air Plus 2nd Gen. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the 2nd generation Libratone Air Plus True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.2 and aptX codec, 2 5.3mm drivers, ANC, ambient, and an app, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IP54 dust and water resistant. It also comes in 2 colors, black or white. Taking a look at the case, it has a slim and compact design similar to the Apple AirPods case. It has a plastic feel with a matte finish all around, and on the front you have the branding. On the back of the case you have the pairing button. And on the bottom you have the USB-C charge port and an LED indicator that lines the outer edge. The lid just flips up and it's magnetic, and you have the LEDs inside for the earbuds. They're easy to grip and remove from the case. The case has wireless charging as well, and you can see it here activate on the charger. The earbuds have a stem design, but it's flat, almost like a boomerang. The inside face has a large lower base and the ear markings are on the stem. The outer face has a smooth matte finish with the logo and a surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, in-ear sensor, charging contacts, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, ANC, and ambient features. This has app integration, and once connected you can toggle ANC and ambient sound. You can select from EQ presets, update firmware, toggle ear detection, and reassign touch control assignments. The case comes in at 1.9 by 0.9 by 2.1 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams, and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played?
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Libratone Air Plus 2nd Gen microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. I found the pairing process to be a bit difficult as it took multiple tries to pair with my phone. When watching video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be comfortable and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. They felt secure and the touch controls don't add additional pressure when navigating. Build and quality is good. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. I like the flat design of the earbuds as it gives a lower profile and it doesn't protrude out as much. Touch controls were responsive and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is fair at 6 hours and 24 total with the case. I like the app integration along with wireless charging. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. The active noise cancellation feature was just okay for me, as I felt it could have blocked out more of the surroundings. The ambient feature was loud as the microphones were able to pick up when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence. It's not the heavy hitting type bass, but just enough. Mids and highs were clean and clear, vocals and instruments do stand out, but I felt there could have been a bit more separation. Overall, the sounds were just okay for me. I felt the sounds could have been a bit more dynamic. The price point is a bit on the higher end and it comes in at a very competitive environment. So that is my review of the Libratone Air Plus Gen 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.